ABDULLAH Kneader AE390 being packed for Daraz order. This is the shipping label, 3rd September 2025 via Orion Engineering. This order is from Lahore. You can see this is a brand new machine. All the sides are okay, there are no damages. We will show you from the bottom also. This is the carton. It has a thermopore at the bottom, a thermopore at the top. It comes with a plastic blade, a metal blade, a measuring flask, and an instruction manual. We have started the machine. It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. It easily kneads dough within 3 to 5 minutes. You can take out the steel bowl from it and then put it back using the given marking. There is the marking. The machine is about to stop. You can see the machine has automatically stopped, so it is working perfectly. And now we will pack it as per the Daraz packaging guidelines. We put extra cushions inside the carton so that it is safely transported. Review on the side. Now we will pack it in brown sheet and then bubble wrap. not forget to give review with pictures when you receive the item and are satisfied with it. If you have any questions or issues, do contact us on Daraz chat. We are Orion Engineering Company in Karachi, Pakistan. Abdullah dough kneaders are the best dough kneaders available in Pakistan. Many people take these dough kneaders with them in UK, Dubai, America, etc. Brown sheet packing is complete and now it will be packed in bubble wrap. Please start like. Packing is almost complete and now we will apply the shipping labels and then we will apply shrink wrap also on top of it. Gel stickers are also pasted. The packing is complete, and now we will apply shrink wrap, but stop the video so as the video is already 10 minutes long.